Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this tutorial, we will see how we can delete existing record. So for that, we will add one more button here and then we can delete it. So let's go here and we have only one button. Let's just copy it and paste it again here. We can say this is delete and then we can say this is also info. Let it be. We can simply say here that this dot delete book, right? In delete book we can simply pass the ID that we want to delete. Since this ID is not, this method is not available, so we have to bind this method, and to bind the method we will go here and write this dot delete book equal to this dot delete book dot bind, and here we'll pass this. Now method delete is bind, we have to create the method, so I'll write here delete book and then we'll have to pass ID, E and ID. These two parameters we have to pass. Apart that, we can just copy all the things that is written for delete. The same thing we can copy paste here. The difference is first we have to get the URL, and URL for delete is API books, right? And in delete we don't need to pass the body. So we can see one more time API/books. So we have here API/books. We have to pass the ID, and ID we will get from here. So I can simply say this is ID, and then method should be delete. So I'll write a delete method. We don't need to pass the content type here since we are not sending anything on body. Also we have only method equal to delete. Then from the response, whatever things we will get, we can just convert into JSON format. Although in case of delete we will get successful message, simple successful message. And so for that we don't need to do these things. We can simply say that then get books, save it, and then let's try to run it whether it is working or not. Let's see. So here we have delete. Let's click on delete. Okay, so it is opening the same model since we have not removed the codes that is written for model, so we don't need this toggle and these options. Just remove this, save it, and then we can try again. So although you can see data was deleted, so let's say if I click delete, it will be deleted, right? Let's say I'll click here delete, data is deleting here, right? You can see data is being deleted. So this is about the delete method. One more thing we can say is whenever we are refreshing this, by default data is not coming here. So for that we can use component lifecycle method to load the data.